Uncle Pur, a photographer who embodies the essence of slow living, was known for his gentle nature and his love for the simple pleasures in life. In the quietness, with the world in gray, Uncle Pur woke to the rhythm of rain, a canvas of clouds, the colors at bay. He saw not a hindrance, but beauty's gain. Through a life he wandered, his spirit alight, finding stories and faces in each gentle glance. An old man in repose, eyes closed to the night. A woman in color, caught in a rain dance. Click by click, Uncle Pur wove his tale of a day where the heavens wept pure, cleansing tears. Each frame held a moment, a life's small detail, a testament to beauty, dispelling all fears. In the hush of dawn, as sunlight spills, Uncle Pur finds joy in life's simple thrills. A dewdrop's shimmer on a tender leaf, a fleeting moment, so exquisitely brief. Rain-kissed windows, soft and clear, each droplet a story, each moment dear. He sees the world through a lens so pure, and simplicity his visions endure. Uncle Pur's heart was a vessel of joy. He had captured the essence of life as it leaked through the cracks of the mundane, the moments so core. In the rain, he had found his muse and his voice. In the simplest of things, profound beauty unfurled. Uncle Pur's photographs sang, made the heart rejoice.
Sorry, who are you?
What? Excuse me?
I'm sorry.